Quest 2 accessories have gotten a whole new line from BOBOVR, their Plus lineup, and we showed you a bunch of them, including the M2 Plus, but we told you it was modular, and they have kits that if later on you want to upgrade yours to an M2 Plus with battery, you can get this little kit. Let's install it, see how it works. So what does the kit come with? Well, I was hoping it comes with the screwdriver and some screws, which I'm guessing is the only thing you need to install it. It of course comes with another cable in case you're wanting to charge it. It comes with the actual piece that the battery's gonna snap into magnetically. You can see there's just 3 little screw holes here in the back, so it looks like it's gonna be a pretty easy install. Another battery. I don't even know how many of these things I have now. I do love that they show up charged though. So if you have your M2 Plus, it's likely you already have it installed on the headset. You could remove it just by unsliding these parts. I have it off, so I'm just gonna do it with it off just to save a little bit of trouble. But it does look like to do this, it looks like you could probably get away with getting to your screw holes from here. I was thinking I was gonna pull this off, but actually I think I can do it without pulling it off. So I'm gonna try. It looks like it's just 3 screws and this comes with 6. So it definitely has some overkill. All right, I loosened up all 3 screws. Unfortunately, of course, they send you a cheap screwdriver, which is nice that it's included, but it's not magnetic or anything. So if you have your own magnetic screwdriver, I'd probably use that because it might be a little easier to extract the screws. I think I've got them all loose. And I didn't lose a single one. So this plastic piece just pulls straight out. You can see that there is the screw holes. There's also some pegs on the other side that those just slide into. So pretty easy uninstall. They send you new screws, although I'm guessing I can just reuse these. We've got the new dock here. Can only go on one way. And those pegs make for a super easy line up and slide on. I really like that. Again, I wish I had my magnetic screwdriver because doing this part by hand is gonna be a bit of a pain. Oh crap. 3 screws in and we've officially got an M2 Plus with battery. I really like that it's the exact same design. You don't feel like you're compromising anymore, like you might have felt like with the old kit when you got like the battery dock that just kind of Velcroed on. Is a full conversion to exactly what you would get with the M2 Plus. We'll throw it on a headset just to show you. One M2 Plus with battery now. With the battery as a counterweight in the back now, it feels so good. This new ring in the back, super comfortable. BOBOVR was already my top strap, but this is just cream of the crop, as good as you can get currently on the Quest market. So I'm super excited to have one of these in hand finally. What do you think out there? Do you think this modular design is a cool idea, or does it not make as much sense because you could just buy this strap from the start and not need to do that? It does give you the option to kind of buy it in pieces. You know, you can buy the strap when you can afford it, you can wait and then buy the battery kit when you can afford that too. Let me know. There's gonna be a link in the description to this, to the strap, to all these other BOBOVR products right now that are hot. So make sure if you get some, get them soon. I guess that's about it. The only thing left to say is thank you so much, as always, for coming out. The channel's growing like crazy, and it's been really amazing to see. So thank you, and I will see you in another reality.